Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the clip fits your tie and shirt placket. This matters for grip and appearance. Once the knot is set and the tie lies flat, position the tie where it naturally hangs. Place the clip between the second and third shirt buttons so it anchors the tie to the placket. This keeps the tie from shifting. Make sure the clip sits horizontally and doesn't distort the tie's pattern, because alignment defines a clean, professional look. You now open the clip and align the front over the tie and the rear behind the shirt placket. That's how it secures both layers. Once aligned, slide the clip downward so it captures fabric evenly across the tie and the placket without bunching. Close the mechanism firmly so it holds but does not dent the tie. If the clip is too tight, loosen slightly to prevent permanent creases. This balanced pressure ensures a tidy, stable appearance throughout the day. You finish by inspecting alignment and overall balance. Make sure the tie tip remains centered and the clip sits straight. If the tie swings or feels loose during movement, raise the clip slightly or reposition it to a firmer placket area. For persistent slipping, try a clip with stronger tension or add a discreet non-slip pad between clip and fabric. That prevents movement without altering looks. If creasing appears, remove and smooth the tie. Then reattach with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.